Okay guys, so breakfast was amazing as usual. I could literally eat the same thing every single day, and right now I'm getting ready to go on the road. I wanna take some snow pictures. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I do it every year. So it snowed a few days ago and it's still built up, so I'm gonna go ahead and take some snow pictures. I did track my breakfast, so I use this app on my phone. It's called Lose It, this orange icon right here. I use it to track I use it to track all my food, and I've been doing it for such a long time, like almost 2 years now, since I first started this whole fitness thing, I think in 2023. So my breakfast macros: 18% fat, 18% carbs, and 64% protein. And so far for the day, I have eaten 102 grams of protein, which is a lot because my goal is like 140 to 160 grams, and my breakfast had 100 grams. I didn't remember that I had the protein shake, so if I did remember, I wouldn't have the tuna, but it doesn't matter. I'm just glad I'm getting the protein in. And also it was a lot of calories because it was a lot of food, but I'm only gonna eat one more time. Breakfast was like 600 calories, which that's not a norm, but it's not like I'm gonna eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so that's why I ate that much too. And it was like brunch because I had it at like 1 o'clock, or was it 12 o'clock? So I'm only gonna eat one more time, and it's not gonna be a big meal. It's gonna probably be like protein and veggies. So yeah, as I said, I'm going on the road. I want to go take snow photos, and I think we're gonna have dinner on the road too. I'm not sure. Actually, let me put this back on because I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my makeup now. I can't find my batteries for my camera, so I have to be charging it. So whenever it dies, I'm just gonna plug it in I want to plug it in. So I'm just gonna use it until it dies. But my makeup routine is like 15 or 10 minutes nowadays. Like, so simple, and it's what I wear to work. It's mostly powders. So I have this goal for my birthday. I mean, I'm always on a health journey, but I specifically want to lose a certain amount for my birthday, so I'm going extra hard. I'm gonna continue after, I always do, but it's not gonna be as strict, but it's gonna be like a lifestyle change, which it has been. So I just got busy in December, like real busy. I fell off a little bit, but I'm back on, and that's all that matters. For some reason, I feel like we can't do my makeup with the camera there right here, so it's just weird. Let me take this off so we can look a bit more presentable. I'm gonna flat iron my hair and everything, but for now, it's just gonna be that. I don't remember if I told you guys, but I found my Apple Watch, and I'm so happy because it was so weird working out without my Apple Watch. I'm also using a spot remover on my face, so my makeup looks extremely dark. I'm so happy that I went to the gym with how I was feeling this morning. I'm glad I pushed through, and I'm already not even as congested as I was earlier, so that's a win. All right guys, my makeup is done, and I should have been recording it. It's been like 10 minutes or 15. So I'm just gonna straighten my leave-out, which I don't even really need to do anything. And it's so crazy, this is cheap hair. This hair is, oops, this hair was like $20 a pack, I think. And it's the purple pack, Yaki, I think. We used to wear these in university, but then we started wearing bundles. I feel so old. Anyway, yeah. So man, straightening my hair, babe. Just the leave out. I'm not do no more. Just to do the leave out. And I've had this hairstyle for almost 3 weeks now, and it's been really going well, especially for the gym. Some days I don't even have to flat iron it. It's just because I sweat a lot this morning when I was doing the incline walk, so my leave out is a little bit, it wasn't looking too neat. so I had to straighten it. But usually I would just take the stocking cap off and it's as good as new, and I love it because it's low maintenance, and you know I'm a gym girl, so it's perfect. All right, I may be going to a cycle class tomorrow. I'm not sure. Last week I did something new. It's called hot sculpt, and it was good. Low maintenance, I mean low impact, in a hot room, 90 degrees. It was really good. It was challenging. Soon talk about that, but I'm gonna find something to put on, and one of my batteries already gone, so I'm gonna plug my camera in. Don't know if I'll be taking it on the road. I wonder if it makes any sense since the battery is like so bad. I'm gonna plug it in. I'll take it. I'll see you guys later. What's up, guys? Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. No, I think this is gonna be in the vlog from yesterday, so this is just a continuation. Just came from work and I'm so hungry. I'm gonna make breakfast. I'm gonna make dinner, and I'm gonna make salmon, and I was gonna make potatoes, air fried potatoes, because I really love those and they're really good, but there's rice left over from dinner last night, so I'm just gonna eat like 1 cup of the rice just to not, because I'm still kind of tired and I just want to make the salmon. And I realized that I have not been liking, I haven't been liking like refrigerated food. By the way, if you're hearing something, I'm doing laundry right over there. I haven't been enjoying refrigerated food, which is so weird for me because I was the person that ate like the same thing. Like I could do 5 days meal plan straight when I used to do my 9 to 5, Monday to Fridays. Like eating the same thing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And I would enjoy it. But I'm just not enjoying it anymore, especially the salmon. And salmon is what I've been craving the most lately. It's the only thing that I want to eat. It's the only thing that I want to cook. And it's just easy for me to, because it's so quick. It's like 7 to 10 minutes in the air fryer. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna make my salmon every day. I don't want to eat refrigerated salmon. It's so dry and it's not good, and it only takes 10 minutes to make, so I'm just gonna sacrifice and make it every day. So today I only work one job, so now I'm home. I had my breakfast this morning. I had tuna, the same packet tunas. I had 2 of those tunas with rice cakes, which was referred to me by ChatGPT. I always saw there's somebody that I know that eats them. I don't remember who, but it's a good carb push for like something quick before you go to the gym. So I was going to the gym this morning, but I wanted something quick for breakfast, so I just ate the two tuna pouches with rice cakes. It's now 5 o'clock basically, and that has basically kept me, because I'm hungry now. Now I can eat. So I ate that like 9:30 this morning, and now I'm gonna eat my lunch, which is gonna be I really want to make honey lemon flavored air fried salmon, but I don't know, it's not tasting like lemon. I need that lemon flavor to soak in it, and the last time that I made it, it didn't soak in it. It wasn't, it tasted like it's a little bit, but I need it to soak in it. I had this fish one time, trout, lemon flavored trout with crust. My god, so good. I dream about that trout every day. So I want my salmon to taste lemon flavored, because I don't know, for me the fish taste with the lemon taste, chef's kiss. And I want that. I need that. So I'm gonna make my salmon right now, because I'm making my foods fresh every day because it's more enjoyable. So yeah, what else was I gonna say? I don't remember. I was watching, I'm trying a different recipe this time. The girl said that she soaked what I did the last time was season it, air fried, and then made the honey lemon thing, and then put it on it for like the last 5 minutes in the air fryer. But now I'm gonna put it on it with the seasoning. So I'm gonna put the seasoning with the honey and lime mixture, put it on the salmon, and then put that in the air fryer with 2 slices of lemon on it, and it must taste like it must work. So let's get to cooking. That was so good. I'm joking, it was a little bit fresh, but I think it's because I didn't put enough seasoning in the thing that I was making, the sauce to put on the salmon. But I don't like when my salmon is over seasoned, so I was trying to, you know, gauge the seasoning and everything, but it could use a little bit more seasoning. Still didn't taste like lemon, but it was juicy and it was good. It just needed a little bit more seasoning, and you guys saw how much seasoning I put in it. But I never told anybody I was a chef. I'm a beginner. I just cook things. I look for recipes. I mean, some things I can cook without even thinking, but others I'm gonna jump on my phone, look on YouTube for a recipe. So I never said I was a chef, but it was good. It was good. It just did fresh. And we can't understand how come I feel like we put whole heap of seasoning. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and fold this lovely mountain of clothes that you see behind me. Just finished washing. Still have 2 more loads left. And I'm gonna just, after that, wind down, probably watch something. By the way, what are you guys watching on Netflix? Netflix knows how to make a limited series. Their limited series are so good. I've watched His or Her is very good. The Beast in Me, Wayward. Like, they all have just such interesting storylines that they keep you on the edge. Runaway. Right now I'm watching Fool Me Once, and I think I'm missing one. What's the name of that one again? What's the name of that one? It's so good. I don't remember. But if you guys need some limited series to watch, some good limited series that will leave you thinking, and that will leave you like mind blown, and that will leave you like, oh my god, like, what's going on? Watch those that I just mentioned. I'm gonna finish up Fool Me Once after I finish doing my laundry folding and everything though. But that's it for this vlog. I'm gonna wrap it up. Remember to like, and I will see you guys next time.